Let's make strawberry honey and ice cream. Add 1.5 pounds of frozen strawberries, a can of full-fat coconut milk, and 1/3 cup of honey to a food processor, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is an easy, no-churn recipe to get homemade strawberry ice cream with no dairy and no refined sugar. Process on high and pause as you need to get all the strawberries processed and make sure there are no big chunks. This is how you get that creamy, dreamy texture without an ice cream maker. Like this. Transfer the mixture to a freezer-safe container. I'm using a loaf pan here, and the swoops are optional but so mesmerizing. You can stop here for soft serve consistency, or you can freeze for at least 3 hours to get classic, firm ice cream scoops. Like this. Thanks for watching.